sort of turn around the equation. So what we're going to do is we're going to set here, okay, we're going to provide H for the enthalpy, isn't it? Okay, divided by R, which is going to be our number, so our gas constant, times, and then we open this guy and we write 1 divided by X minus 1 divided by N. Sorry, let's call it by T. Okay? You see? And then we delete, of course, this. And see, now we have what we wanted. H is going to be our enthalpy. So let me, just in case, because I always feel this is going to be a bit dangerous. So, okay? So we have H divided by R, isn't it? And then 1 divided by X, which is our current temperature, minus 1 divided by T, and we'll call T our melting temperature. Okay? So the next thing is we want to give some rules. Okay? And so here, you see, initial value to be fit, initial value to be fit, initial value to be fit. Okay, I'm fine with that. Okay? The only thing is this guy here, of course, if I remember correctly, cannot be set here. Yeah, so that's fine, initial value to be fit. And what initial value do we give here? Well, it depends. So the only one that you need to provide some value for, okay, is the value of the gas constant, because that's going to give you the energy. So it's going to determine the units of the energy. Now, since I have been telling you everything in calories per mole or in kilocalories per mole, I'm going to write 1.98, which is the number so that I have the gas constant value for having the energy in calories. Okay? Now, default constraints, here we set constant equal to 1.98 because we don't want it to be moved around. Isn't it? That's a constant. Everything else can move to whatever we want, but that one should stay. Okay? And just click OK. Okay? Now, so, yeah, sorry. We can make it 1 to 1. And that's it. And so now we could click OK, and it would run the fit. Sadly, the data I have here is not the data for a melting curve, so it's not going to produce anything meaningful. But we can click OK, and see it gives us a terrible set of values. In particular, we can see that our, where is it? I don't know why it's not running, but okay. Great. What happened? Well, it blocked itself. It crashed. But basically, because those values are going to be terrible, okay, they're